Hello, this is Arrabella from Arabella's Heart for Book Art. Well, it's all dry now, so I wanted to make it work a little bit better and check if there is any sign of something is coming off, and that's right over here. And cut this off, so I will sand this a little bit better. You see, it's coming off where I put too much gesso onto it. So, but it's working, so that is also what I wanted to test, if it is working as a book still. So here I also used a lot of gesso, so I will sand it and then I will do the sewing today. I really love the process as well as the preparation to make these books ready to take art. So, ready, steady, take art. Okay, ready, steady, make art. I think I want to make this a yin and yang, my standard where my camera's onto. So for now I want to keep this setup. Perhaps I will change it later on, but for now I want to keep it like this. I don't mind that there is a big old black blob in the middle. So I think I'm going to make this a yin and yang, this thing. Let me see if I'm set up, yeah, something like this, I think. So now I want to do sewing, and the sewing is, yeah, what Lori did was here. I have a little bit less pages, so I will do it here, I think, or here, yeah, here. I will do the sewing, and in the middle. So I will take, I think I'm going to put dots where I want them first. One over here where I can see it, one a little bit in the middle, and one a little bit on the bottom. So I will do the dots first. Where did I do this? Yeah, on the first. I don't know if that's, I think it's better if I do it here, but there are two, yeah, the pages are really, there aren't many, so I'll see it really well on the black, I think, but I can see it well enough. So, and then in the middle, and they don't have to be just the same, I mean. So, and when I'm done with the sewing, then I will stick everything down again and cut everything off, and that I will do then. Let me think. I did have this twine, but I also have this, and I really like it. It is waxed linen thread, so I think I rather use that. So it is a really good quality, so I really want this to last forever, this piece of art. So to last, yeah, as long as it can last. I don't know exactly, of course. I don't really have a good day today, but well. Making art is making me feel good, so let me do three times just to be sure. And then I also will have enough for the other book. I don't know, I like this one a little bit better for now, but that is just me, I think. I like that chalky darkness, even if I'm really a happy person, but and this also could work because the colors, because this will be white, a white based book, and I don't know. I thought that would work with the geisha theme. I have all, so making it a pointy thready. And let me just put my extra glasses on. So here I have the steps beside me written up, because I often yeah, my memory is failing me sometimes, so, and this is also my first time, so I didn't want to, if anyone from Lorri that's watching her videos will watch mine, for instance, and then they would get confused if I make the steps so different than hers. So that's why I just wrote them down, and I also watched the videos, of course. Watched, I think our third one is up now, so that's fun. And I'm so enjoying this challenge. So it's really giving me the positiveness that I was looking for. And also I save these board books, not just I have them from childhood, from my children I mean, but I save them to make art for about a year. I did that, so yeah. Well, I just pulled it through finally, and this is the all that I mean. I always use it to take the sticky, the backing of my tape. So let me just make holes. I will go in the middle, and then this is called a gusset. See, I get these sounds, but nothing is happening. Just keeps filming, so I don't know what's going on with that, but well. My Wi-Fi is off. So here I'm going through, making the hole a little bit larger for my, for this is also a little bit large, this thread, so I'm doing this, but I'm doing it really carefully, not too much. And then I'm going to the middle and repeating the same thing. I think I'm going crooked here, but this is in a gusset, but I see it now. On the other side, making it a little bit larger to make it easier for me to pull through the thread, I mean. Like that. And then I'm going down through this one. I'm doing this movement. These colors, if they are will annoy me, yeah, I will stick it all. The background will be full, and I don't think you will see any of that. So just thinking out loud. And I also could use this. This is from the bottom of one of my bags, so it has thread on it from the fabric. So this is from the bottom of a bag. So I saw this and I thought, well, that also could work. You can lay it, your book, and then poke the hole, and don't worry that it will table damage, any damage. Now I will see if I do it. Okay, and I think I did. I could have done it here, but well, no. I think I don't know how that will look at the edge of my my covers, but well, I will see what happens. Just go with the flow. So now I will start in the middle and start on the outside. When you want the thread to be on the outside, you go from the outside in. Always remember that when you do the 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Then I'm going down. You can go up or down, it doesn't matter. Then I'm going all the way up and skipping this all together, going from the outside in. Let me see where the hole is. I can't really find it. I think I'm making a new hole. Yeah. Well, it is a little bit difficult, but I can do it. I mean, so now I can get myself a little bit more thread if I want to. And now you go from the inside again, you go out. And you see those threads really well. So what you do is catch. So I'm back. So what you have to watch out for is that you catch the middle thread and don't pull like this, but pull in the opposite and then pull like this. You know what you avoiding is that this could rip, your holes could rip. That is at least what I was taught. So yeah, they knew. So now the middle is bound in, and I will do exactly the same for the other ones. So I hope I will have enough thread for the other book, but I will try to do a little bit less, 2.5 I think, for each one. And then hopefully I have enough for the other book, and then if not, I will get I think the red and the white thread for the black book. That will also be a nice color for the gray book. Gray black. So like this. I will make this a little bit shorter and start in the middle again. From the outside in. Let me see where that is, because now I am shifting. Let me see, I did the middle one. I'm thinking out loud. I think I will do them a little bit over here so that it's not so cohesive, and then go that way, straight that way. That will be okay. So to do that, because it's, and then also this one on a different, like over here. And then over here, a little bit different. I probably did that unconsciously on the same row, but I want them different. Take my thingy, my bag thingy, like that. And this one I forgot already, it's about here I think. I did put it here. That's because I used this fabric, so it is a little bit difficult to see. So start from the outside in. I always start in the middle. So let me see where it is. It is a little bit over here. Aha. So I know where to put my needle, just about. So that it's not the same. I could also do the knot on a different place. That could make it playful. Can't get it through. I will do that. So now let's go up first. Why not? To switch it up a little bit. Then I will go all the way down. It's a little bit too far that way, but well, it will make it playful. Let's just leave it at that. And now I did make a mistake because I wanted to beat the thread not in the middle, but I'm so used to doing it like this that I didn't take the thought about it while I was binding it. So now it's a little bit on the side, but that's okay, on the other side I mean. So take your thread and make sure that both ends are on the opposite side again, and then don't pull like this, but pull the opposite of each other and then pull like this, and then catch the middle thread like that. Usually I also check, because this one is really too loose and I can still, this one is a little bit better, but this one is really too loose. I don't know what happened, but if I can, I will use this to undo it. Make sure that it's not really tight still, but it's better than what it was before. So I'm just giving you some pointers, but you can do what you want. I'm leaving them a little bit long because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So now the last one is over here. So take the threads, one, and I think two is enough. And then I'm making it longer. Of course, I'm always afraid that I need more thread or something. Don't have enough or something. I don't know. Yeah, I'm using my best thread for these books. And happily so, of course. Okay, I'm starting in the middle, and I'm not starting in the middle. I'm starting and I'm doing something new. I never did something like this. So these are in the middle. Yeah, I see the hole. I see it. So that won't be. Yeah, this is up top, right? So I will have the thread up top, and that will be different. I didn't do that good. I'm just making this interesting looking and that's just what it is, right? So this is now going that way, and I'm really fine with all that. So here I will attach a dangle or something. I will make these a little bit smaller, so like this. So now it's all threaded, and in these gussets I didn't do it, so just only following the directions of LorriMarie. If I didn't have those directions, I think I would have done it on every page, the binding, but because I know that she took a class, Lindy Trentholm. She took a class from Lindy Trentholm, so thank you, Lindy Trentholm, for hiring LorriMarie, and now she's doing her thing, and now I'm doing my thing. So with I hope that you see this video, and then perhaps I could inspire you to try one with a shape. So now you see the spook in it still, but when I'm done with it, you won't see that. So now I'll get the second book, and I will. This one is a little bit more, yeah, bigger and lower. So I think I'm going to do the binding because there is not really a middle. I think I'm just doing it here and here. Only the two, I think, but perhaps I'm doing it here over here as well. But I know that I want it, at least want it here. So I'm just going for it. Because when you plant stuff like this, yeah, I like the organic look or something. How do you call that? Just going for it. Right, LorriMarie? Why not? Making the holes a little bit better visible. I hope I can see it on the other side. Because here it's a little bit too difficult to see, but I will go from the inside out and then spot where my hole will be. So 1, 2 and a half. I'm a little bit nervous that I won't have enough time, but I think I'm safe. I think I have just about enough. So like this. Then first we'll see from the inside out, and then go from the outside in. I don't know if I didn't do that correctly with the other one. Perhaps I could try it for this one and then do it correctly. Ah, that's too bad. You see the white. But well, it is what it is. So going up. This one is going a little bit more easier. Then going down. I don't know where it is. Yeah, I was in the area, but I really have to do this to make sure where it is.